Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about Nio. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. Today we're going to be doing a video about Nio Stock. Yesterday they had their earnings, right? So, Nio reported pretty good earnings, right? They beat the general consensus. The analyst consensus was basically a net loss of negative 16 cents a share. Nio came in, swung in, and beat it with negative 4 cents a share. So the company is getting pretty close to profitability. Right, reported about $1.2 billion in sales, which is pretty good. A lot of people, I don't feel like, have been really giving Nio enough credit, but right now, the main question is, right now with the chip shortage and everything going on, is Nio Stock a good buy at $39.98 or $40? Should you pick up Nio Stock? Now, I've said this time and time again, I think Nio is going to be a winner. I think Nio is going to be the top EV company of China, right? It is a China favorite. A lot of retail traders love it. A lot of analysts have put pretty good price tag analyst upgrades on Nio Stock as well. Looking at the one-year chart, we see that this stock is up 1,000%. This time last year, the stock was trading around $3.27. And the fact that it's climbed this much, we do have a high here for Nio Stock around $62. They had a 52-week high of $66. And we've honestly seen a little bit of retraction. Looking at the 3-month chart, it's still down 32.31% of its value. We see here that it hit a low of $35, coming back here again with a low of $35, and once again coming here with a low of $35. So what's been going on with Nio? Why is Nio not going up even though it's reporting good earnings? The overall EV market has had a decent pullback over the last couple of months. That does attribute to some of the reasons why Nio Stock started kind of falling. It didn't really have anything to do with the chip shortage. Tesla took a pullback. A lot of big-time EVs took a pullback as well. So this attributes to why Nio Stock kind of fell, almost 33% of its overall value from its all-time highs. But from here on out, I do expect a small increase in Nio Stock over the long term. I do think that Nio Stock is slowly going to start climbing up. Hopefully, you never know what happens, but I don't think we're going to be revisiting the $35 range anytime soon. I do see a longer term growth perspective. We know that Nio is always beating its sales estimates. Nio is selling more and more cars, and they even gave us a projection on their earnings that they plan on selling $1.29 billion in sales by the next quarter, even with the chip shortage, which is already better than what they put up in the first quarter. So I love how Nio gave some pretty good guidance. I know some people feel like the guidance was a little bit mixed on Nio's earnings, but for me, seeing that they're still selling, seeing that the company is very close to profitability, I do expect profitability from Nio Stock in the year of 2022. We know they're expanding into Europe by the second half of this year. So right now, I think is a great time to buy Nio Stock at $40.06. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But seeing how far Nio has actually come altogether, really seeing what Nio actually offers to the table as a top EV company, and seeing that they're consistently growing, and a lot of people are putting big time estimates on Nio Stock. For me as well, I think right now is a very good time to pick up the stock. We know that, even the CEO of Nio said yesterday that the EV brands are increasing. And the market share, he's trying to kind of take a better strategy to it, right? By offering EV vehicles at a lower price, which is a very good thing. That's kind of the biggest thing when it comes to buying a car, is its overall cost efficiency. We know that Nio does have the legendary battery as a service, which gives it a competitive advantage over its competitors. No other EV company offers this. No other EV company offers basically a battery charge station or swap station where you can basically stop by these swap out your battery for a brand new battery in less under than 3 minutes, and then continue on your way. I think it's very innovative, and like I said, it does give Nio Stock an advantage over kind of its, competitors. We do know that on May 6th, Nio is going to announce its Norway expansion plan, which is very, very exciting. Nio has been in talks in expanding its business model for a while, or its overall business capacity. The fact that it's going to be unveiling its plan on May 6th for where the company is going to be headed and its expansion into Europe is definitely going to be big for Nio Stock. I'm excited to see what Nio actually does bring to the table, but we know that Nio is putting up consistent results. My overall price prediction for Nio Stock by the end of the year, I do think we're going to revisit the $66 range. I honestly have a price target of Nio Stock $80 by the end of the year. So yes, I understand that's a 100% increase from where it's currently sitting at right now, but there's going to be a lot more money that's going to be flowing into EVs. Like I said, these EV companies are putting up spectacular numbers. We got Tesla numbers, we got Nio numbers, and both of them were very, very good. They both beat Wall Street expectations. And although Nio Stock right now is currently trading low and it's kind of trading sideways, I recommend right now, if you guys have been waiting to pick up Nio Stock, is a very good time to do so. They're I feel like the guidance yesterday they gave us about the chip shortage was very good. I feel like everything handled the situation pretty well, and we see that Nio is still growing, it's still expanding. Nio is also working on other things as well to expand their business, like a whole new vehicle line, the self-autonomous driving technology, its expansion of the ET7 sedan, and where it plans on heading with that. I believe they're going to start production for the ET7 sedan in 2022, so I'm very excited for the plan that Nio has on board here. I think Nio is going to be a top EV company. Even Kathy Wood herself said that she definitely thinks that Nio is going to be the winner, right? Nio has an average analyst price target of around $62. And you guys have to understand that, Nio is not going to stop expanding in just Europe alone. Nio is going to start expanding to the United States. I know that Nio's cars are going to be worldwide. There's a lot of big time analysts who are putting big price tags on Nio stock. They do see an upside potential. Even the average analyst price target being $62, that's basically a 20 to 40% increase from where Nio's current stock price is currently sitting at now. So even these big time analysts, they see the long-term potential in Nio. They know that Nio is a big time EV company that really offers a lot to the table. I think, people with the chip shortage, kind of sold out of Nio stock. Plus, like I said, we all know that EV took a huge, big correction, which is probably a lot of reasons why people were selling out of Nio stock. But we know that Nio is still doing well, and right now is the perfect time to buy Nio stock. I don't think any other time is a good time to buy Nio. It's still cheap for what it offers as a big time company. We see that it's still growing. It's got good management. It's backed by China. Like I said, even big time investors are picking up Nio stock as we speak because they do see a huge upside potential in Nio for what the company is going to offer in the long term and for what the company can be in the next 3 to 5 years. But with Nio, it does come with patience. Nio is going to be a longer term hold. I promise you guys, if you buy Nio stock right now and you just hold it, give it a couple of years, this thing could definitely be $100 by 2022 or in 22. And even a lot of big time analysts have said that Nio's upside potential is just absolutely huge. And even, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of investors, retail, big time analysts all see the upside potential in Nio stock. And you really see that Nio, based on its performance alone over the last couple of months, we see their back-to-back sales increases every single month. We see that they're doing good on their earnings. I think right now just goes to show that right now is a very good time to be buying Nio stock. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of Nio stock. Do you guys think Nio stock is a good buy? $40.16. If you guys own Nio stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.